How to fix error code 43 when uninstalling Mac apps. Error code 43 is a common error that can occur when trying to uninstall apps on a Mac. This error is usually caused by a file or folder that cannot be deleted because it is in use or the user does not have the necessary permissions to delete it. Here are some steps you can take to fix error code 43 when uninstalling Mac apps. 1. Force quit the app. If the app you're trying to uninstall is still running, force quit it. Go to the Apple menu and select force quit or use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Option plus Escape. Select the app from the list and click force quit. 2. Check file permissions. Make sure that you have the necessary permissions to delete the app. Right-click on the app and select Get Info. In the Sharing and Permissions section, make sure that your user account has read and write access. 3. Try uninstalling with an uninstaller app. Some apps come with their own uninstaller app. Check the app's website or documentation to see if this is the case. If so, use the uninstaller app to remove the app. Here, we took Acrobat X uninstaller as an example. 3. Use Terminal. If all else fails, you can try removing the app using Terminal. Open Terminal, found in the Utilities folder in the Applications folder, and type in the following command, sudo rmrf/application/appname.app. Hint, replace app name with the name of the app you want to uninstall. Press enter and enter your admin password if prompted. Note, be very careful when using Terminal, as you can do serious damage to your system if you enter the wrong command. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide. Q. How to view and change permissions for files, folders, or disks on Mac. A. To view file permissions on a Mac, follow these steps. 1. Open Finder and navigate to the file or folder you want to check permissions for. 2. Right-click on the file or folder and select Get Info from the context menu. You can also select the file or folder and press Command plus I on your keyboard. 3. In the Get Info window, scroll down to the Sharing and Permissions section. This section displays a list of users and groups that have access to the file or folder. 4. The permissions for each user or group are listed in the privilege column. The available permissions are read and write, read only, and no access. 5. To change the permissions, click the lock icon in the bottom right corner of the window and enter your admin password. Then, click the plus button to add a new user or group and select the desired permissions for that user or group. Note, be careful when changing file permissions, as it can affect the security and functionality of your system. Only change permissions if you know what you are doing or if you have a specific reason for doing so.